Hey, hey. What's going on? What's going on over here? Hope you guys are doing well. Just over here now. Here in my compadre. Who's out here? My crotch. Mr. Printer Bros. Chase. Just ain't right. Mwah. Coach HID. Rick. Vero. Foster. Elevated Life. Tick Daddy. Jay. Eric J. Sean. Keegan. JK. Tippity Top. Jack Rudo. What up, Reed? Carlos. Kenny. V33. Trend Friend. Yeah, I almost blew my Tradeday accounts. My Tradeday evals that needed just one fucking day. I mean, not only forget about the days, I just needed $100. How hard can it be to get $100? How fucking hard can it be? And this is how it started. This is how it fucking started. It's like crazy how the nightmare, like it just never ends sometimes, or it feels like it's never gonna end. Where is this shit? Where is this fucking shit? Right here. Right fucking here. Let me show my screen. Let me show you my fucking screen over here. I'm just like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Is this real life? Look. This is how it started. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me over here? Watch. Look at this. Look. The same shit. I'm just trying to get $100 as soon as I get in. It's the other way. And I think at one point when I was in this trade, I was up. I may have been up $100, but it was like quick. It was a fleeting moment. And then I almost get fucking bottom ticked. And then what does it do? It fucking bounces. But I was able to fucking catch the drop down. And I fucking got all that back and then some. Actually, I got out with 87. So I had to get more. So I traded gold, a micro of gold. But yeah, where was it? So I get stopped out of a long here, and then I was like, it's going to go back down maybe, and then there it is. And then we bounce off the 786. My fucking nose is itchy. What the fuck? Hold on a second. Oh, man. Do I need a tissue or something? I'm about to get into a fucking fight. But we got the job done. These are officially passed now. I'm on day 5. I needed $100. So whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how I got there. All that matters is that I got there. So I'll be starting the month of April. Well, yeah. when the market reopens, for the April 2nd session, I'll have 3 funded trade day accounts. Forex Elite, what up? Jay Stores, Romeo, Trent Friend, Old Man Withers. It's just so it's been a fucking frustrating month, man. I'm just glad it's over. Looking to fucking do something positive. Look at this Head and Shoulders. Is this shit gonna break down? So that's all I did so far. I got these 5 Lucid Flex evals that are halfway up. I need the other half now. Let me make sure this fucking group. Yeah, this group is all set up. I need to go to like. I don't necessarily need to go to exactly 3,000. Actually, I could go to exactly 3,000. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do 3,000. Why not? Because I'm good on consistency. Because I did 42 on one trading session, and then I did 1,460. So I'm good on that front. I don't need to get more if I don't have to. I don't need to. All right, but I do need 1,500 smackers. And then I have these apexes right here. New PA right here. I got this one here, the one that I was $59 away from getting a max payout yesterday, and I fucked it up, found a way to fuck it up like a fucking loser. So, but I have a lot of drawdown. It's just fucking annoying. It's just fucking annoying. So there it goes. We're breaking out of that fucking Head and Shoulders. Funded grind. Yeah. I'm just glad the month is over. It's not like I didn't get any payouts this month. It's just it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So now we did break. Look at this. We broke out of it already. I mean, only 8 points. But the head is what, 78 to 95. The neckline. Yeah. I mean, it could drop, 15 to 20 points from out of this fucking range of the the shoulder or whatever. And maybe he'll do more. We'll see. We shall see. So that's where I'm at. I will be getting some take profit trader accounts again. I just didn't want to because I just kept blowing them anyway. So I figured I'd wait. Carlos, I think it's good for like another 9 days. Let's take a little peek. 90% off, end of day, intraday, apex. Good until April 9th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. So that's good until next Thursday. Their prices did go up a little bit, but so is everyone else's. Well, not everyone else's, but Lucid's is going up. Trade iffies went up. But in the meantime, let's see. Am I going to get fucking filled here or no? Maybe. Maybe not. Tony Gold, what up? I don't know how long I'm going to hang out for, but I did want to hang out. I was trading anyway, so I figured I'd hop on for a little bit. I want to go in the fucking sauna, actually, and decompress. Flush out some of these fucking shitty trades. You know what I'm saying? Detox from these shitty trades I took all fucking month. Tippity top, I think it's more than inflation. I think it's something else. I just think they need to, maybe their margins aren't what they used to be. You know, maybe it's like there's a sweet spot they like to be hanging in with their margins, and they're not there because we're all getting better as traders for the most part. Romeo, what the fuck is that noise? The plane just flying over the house? It sounded like it was flying kind of low. The shit is not moving either. But, you know, we had another fucking open where there was news about the war, good news about it potentially ending, and we fucking shot up. Everything shot up. The gold pulled back. Look at how much gold pulled back. If you look at gold, I missed it, unfortunately. But we're down, you know, we went down over 200 ticks from this right here, from this little pop. Also, kind of looks like a head and shoulder, right? If you see, guys, you kind of see it, but not really. It's not as nearly as clean. Not nearly as clean as the NQ one is, right? The NQ one is like right fucking in your face. Freeber, what up? Yeah, 3 to 7 business days from when they send the email out saying payment sent. 3 to 7 business days. At least you don't have to wait to get approved and then wait another 3 to 7 business days. So it's gotten faster. I just know with Apex, like once I get approved, I know I'm going to get my money. Nice job. Nice job. What up, Bacon? Well, I guess I'm not getting filled down here. What the fuck? Nice little bounce here. What's that? That was like 20-point bounce right there. A happy little 20-point bounce. What's crew doing here? So we'll just wait for it to come down here. If it does at all, it might. It's just shit is moving mad slow after this fucking all of this happened. I hate when it's fucking moving so slow though. This slow is just fucking the pits. Where's the button? Where's the button? Yeah, Freeber. So it's almost about the same time, give or take. What up, Tickle? Ash, what's up? Vincenzo. Oh, you like listening on Twitter better, bro? That's interesting. I don't even pay attention to the stream on Twitter. John Q. You want me to blow on your candle? Fuck, I'm tired. Yeah, Ree. Hey, Mom, what up? I'm with you, Ree, man. I'm with you. I just been, yeah. This month has been so bad. I've been like expecting the worst to happen, and that's what's been happening. You know, what you focus on expands. If anyone knows that, I fucking definitely know that, and I'm over here talking mad shit about myself every fucking day, and it just compounds the fucking problem. Yeah, Amon, join the club. See, again, here we are. We're just talking. We're just having conversation here, but I mean, you know, we got to focus on getting better every day in every way. We are getting better. Look at that fucking pop. Now we're talking 30 points. No, 20 something points. We're going to paint some happy little boner candles. We barely broke. I mean, the head and shoulders did break, right? It did confirm, but it wasn't like a massive move down. It was like whatever. 14 points. Newts. Nice, bro. Good shit. Good shit. You're not fucking with New York? I mean, I know I'm a better trader than I've been all fucking month. I know that. We all know that. But, you know, I lose my shit when fucking shit like what happened yesterday during my stream yesterday, the whip stream. Like, that's just how shit's been. It's just fucking super frustrating. So I lose my fucking shit and start talking mad shit about myself. I'm human. I'm human, you know? I'm only human. What time of day do I think I have the most success, Rick? I don't know. I used to love getting, as you know, when I was rolling with a fuck ton of funded accounts and getting payouts left and right for 3 months or really 5 months. The overnight was my shit, especially when I was trading primarily gold. I love trading the overnight. Yeah, Newts, I know, but it's warranted. I deserve it. I deserve it, bro. 1000%. It is what it is. I know what you mean, bro. I know what you mean, and I appreciate that. But I don't know. I've been getting my shit pushed in on the trading front after fucking feeling like I figured some shit out again, and then the market changes. It's just fucking annoying. And like bad, like fucking myself out of what? Over 13 grand in payouts and just fucking account after account after account, eval after eval after eval. Yeah, I know, Rick. I know. Doesn't mean I can't hate myself in the process, though, going through it. Mugs. Oh, I'm not going to quit. Definitely not going to quit. That's for fucking sure. We all know that winners never quit and quitters never win. That's a fucking fact, Jack. You could take that to the bank. What movie is that from? Maybe, Newts. Even when I size down, weird shit happens. Maybe I need to size up. Maybe I need to size up so I can get what I'm after quicker. I mean, we just had that we just fucking pound shit 56. We just went up almost 30 fucking points. Sideways. Yeah, V33. That's what I'm thinking. What could possibly go wrong? Come on, guys. I think a lot of it is me losing my patience, and then I size up a lot, losing my patience. I don't know. There's been so many trades where I'm trading too small, and like if I was just trading bigger, I would have gotten what I wanted. I don't know. It's just like I've just been so confused lately. Yo, 20 ticks, bro. That's fucking wild. That's only 5 points. Well, it depends on what you're trading, TGZ. Depends on what you're trading. If you're trading gold, that's 2 points. 20 ticks on gold is a lot. With 5, what is that? That's $1,000. You know? With NQ, you're talking 2.5 points, which would be, $250. But like lately, like you'll get in a fucking trade, and then as soon as you get in, it'll go the opposite way. Not you, but me. Like doesn't matter when or where. I'm like, what the fuck? Not again. That's what it's been like. It's just been crazy. That's what happened to me today with my Tradeday accounts. And then I fucking added, and then I get taken out, and then it fucking bounces, and I'm like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. And then it went down, but like I could have blown these accounts. I think I went down to like $500 a drawdown at one point with these, or less. It was fucking ugly. But now it don't matter. It just doesn't matter anymore because I'm over the target. I'll have 3 funded Tradeday accounts for Thursday's session. So there, just take that, chat. Now, does gold have 75 ticks? A 75 tick move in it? I mean, it just dropped. Like even from here, we went from 247 down to fucking. We went down 200 ticks from there, from this area right here. So does it have 75 ticks of a bounce in it? Is this the spot? Because we got the low of the VWAP band and the 707 that we just touched. Just missed the 786 with the low a day being the low. I mean, I might have missed it. I mean, we're almost up 75 ticks from there. Now, the reason I say 75 ticks is because if I'm in 2 minis, 75 ticks gets me 1,500, and that's what I need. And it did it. I mean, there it is. There it is. This fucking one candle might go 76 fucking ticks. 87. It just went fucking almost 60 right there, chat. Jesus. You see, guys? Newts, yeah. I don't know. My entries, things have changed, I don't know. I used to have pretty good entries. You know my entry. You know when I have the best entries when I don't get filled by 1 or 2 ticks. Those are the best. Slick Rick, The Ruler, I Trade, Stevie J. Today is Tuesday, yeah, but this is Wednesday session. You know what I'm saying, Newts? That's what I was talking about. So this is Wednesday session. When Wednesday session ends, it won't be until Thursday session that I'll be able to activate these. So that's what I was talking about before. A Viagra candle. We love the Viagra candles. A happy little Viagra candle. What up, Lance? Johnny. I got another Ferrari. My touchscreen on my Ferrari. That's fucking. I mean, so far, this trading session's good. I passed my trade day accounts. We're good. We're golden. And I'm locked out, so I can't fucking unpass them. You know? Can't unpass them. I can't fuck myself in any way, shape, or form on these. Now I just gotta, do more good things. Like I want to push these. I want to pass these fuckers. Shit's moving. I mean, we just had that dildo candle, but I mean, shit is kind of moving slow right now. 65, 78. Oh, I'm gonna fuck the Lucid accounts. I'm gonna do the fucking. I got time though. I'm not like I really want to trade it with gold, and I mean, fuck. This candle 86 and this candle. That's 72 ticks. That would have been enough, but obviously, I didn't see it coming. Lance, I mean, that's basically from what I've gathered. The handful of times that I've watched him on his shit, that's basically him in a nutshell. Just a little exaggerated. I think he's trying to like cater to a younger audience. Pound that confetti. Pound that confetti like roast beef. I love it. I mean, Lance, when does he ever not come off like a fucking pretentious douchebag? Who thinks he's fucking he thinks he's great, he thinks everyone else is lesser than him. Oh, he just got this ad where he's like, you'll see it if you got YouTube ads running, if like ads run on your shit, like pre-roll ads or whatever, you'll see it. You'll come across it, especially now that we're talking about it. And it's like, you see this car and this car and what about this car? Rips here. That's how it starts. That's why you don't see it. Rips here. Like, holy fuck. You know what I mean? But hey, at least he's putting himself out there. So God bless him. God bless him and all his fucking Ferraris and his touchscreen. I got a touchscreen on my third 21-year-old Lexus. Yeah, he's been around for a while. He just, I don't know. I don't think I would. Me and him in the same room. The only way that's going to happen is if we just happen to bump into each other in the same fucking building. I wouldn't go out of my way to be in the same room with that guy, and I'm sure it's the same for him. I'm not invited to poker night. Yeah, I mean, I'm not afraid to spend money on ads. I've spent fucking millions of dollars on fucking advertising over the years. I just haven't really done it with this channel because I don't know, YouTube ads kind of suck. You can't really drill down what you're targeting. Emil, we do. For, dude, the guy could be 10 minutes away from me for all I fucking know. I have a feeling someone of his stature, as he would put it, lives in a place called Summerlin, but I don't know. I don't know his address. I'm not going to go out of my way to look it up. I don't give a fuck. I could give a fuck less. I know he doesn't go to the gym I go to because it's I pay $10 a month. Actually, no, I pay $14 a month, $14.99 a month because I could have a guest. But that's he probably pay if he has a gym membership. It's probably at this place called Lifetime Fitness, which is like $100 a fucking month. And fuck that. A man of my stature is not paying $100. I'm not trying to network with anybody. I don't give a fuck. Felix, what up? What are we doing here? A happy little pullback. Willie, he does. I mean, so do I. But I go to the gym. I don't like staring at the fucking walls when I work out. Nah, fuck Jay Stores. I don't do Planet Fitness. Fuck that. Planet Fitness isn't bad, but I do a lot of I do functional athletic training, and you need a barbell, you need heavy dumbbells. The dumbbells at all these Planet Fitnesses only usually go up to like 60 pounds, and then I do a lot of work with barbells, whether it's like deadlifts, squats, bent over rows, shoulder presses, bench press. You can't do that. They don't have barbells at Planet Fitness. They have like the Smith machines and shit, which aren't bad. The Smith machines are cool. I like doing free weight shit. What up, Jordan? We would be good friends. I doubt it. We have the only thing we have in common is that we live over here and that we both have YouTube channels. I go to this place called EOS. I used to go to Las Vegas Athletic Club, and then when I moved from the first rental I was in for the first couple of years I lived out here to the other rental I was in for 4 years before I bought this trailer, the gym I was going to, it just wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth the ride. I just was like, this fucking ride sucks. So I changed gyms because the EOS by the other house was closer than the Las Vegas Athletic Club. Now it's like the other way around. There's a Las Vegas Athletic Club closer than the EOS, the closest EOS. You need to see me in the Diamond Gym. He might let me drive the Ferrari. I've driven plenty of fucking cool cars. I've never driven a Ferrari though. Like, I don't really care. If I want to drive a Ferrari, I'll go to fucking the speed place. It's called Las Vegas Speed or whatever, and you could drive whatever exotics you want, or I could go fucking rent an exotic from the fucking strip if I really wanted to. Slick Rick, yeah, there's that too. Don't want to sound off the lunk alarm. I used to go to a Gold's Gym when I lived in Long Island. I can ask Dennis. That's Jay Stores. That's what you're doing, bro? Push-ups, pull-ups, dips, sit-ups. Yeah, that's fucking great, man. Just doing the push-ups and the pull-ups and the sit-ups No, the push-ups and the pull-ups and the dips alone will fucking work your core a fuck ton. Investors, what up? JP. You just got jacked and it's crazy how much ass you get now. I'm trying to keep myself looking good so my wife doesn't trade me in for a newer model, 10 business days or just 10 days? Trader guy, is that a legacy account or the new accounts? Good shit on the payout. You'll take me for a New York workout? Bro, I lived most of my life in New York. I do Athlete X. Fine. You come out here, I'll do one of your New York workouts, and then you do one of my Athlete X workouts. Yeah, trader guy, legacy. Yeah, I could do all that shit. Yeah, I mean, he's from Connecticut. Oh, so it took you a little while to get your plane set up. That was the holdup. New York Park built. Yeah, yo, I know what you mean, bro. Yeah, those bike rides are good, man. Because it's like cardio, but you're also building like your muscles because you're building your leg muscles. Those are the best kind of that's the best kind of cardio, like the burst cardio versus like steady state. What do I know about monkey bars? Come on, son. I grew up in Valley Stream. They have the monkey bars at the gym. I like just doing dead hangs. I do a lot of dead hangs. Come on, son. What is this shit? Like, what the fuck is this price action? How the fuck am I supposed to trade this shit? Look, what the fuck is this candle? What happened here? I mean, it's only a 14-point candle, but what is that? So 24 hours to approve, and then 2 days later after, or 2 days from when you requested. Well, either way, it's like 2 or 3 days, and the money was in your bank account or in your plane account. It's pretty fucking good. Yeah, yo, swimming is no joke. Once it gets warm again, well, it's already been warm, but once my pool gets warm, I'm gonna start swimming in that shit. It's long enough to fucking do laps. 16-ounce curls. Coach HID, bro. Yeah, Chris Harry is no joke. He's Venex. I think he calls himself Venex or some shit. If you only like calisthenics and bodyweight shit, Coach HID, you would like fucking you would like Athlete Zero. Athlete X to Zero program. It's just bodyweight. And then not even a pull-up bar. But if you get 02, the second one, Athlete X02 incorporates a pull-up bar. That's like the hardest fucking shit I've ever done. You're a big, oh my God, Mike. Oh my God. Oh, yo. Investors is having a fucking crazy month. What'd you say you were at? Like 55 G's or some shit? He's having a fucking insane month, man. Yeah, Coach HID, it's fucking great. It's nice too because you just log in and then it tells you what you need to do for that day. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it, bro. Yeah, it's fucked up. Isn't it crazy how like when you fucking herniate your disc, like the best thing for a herniated disc or a fucked up back is to build the muscles around it. Surgery is fucking very fucking iffy. Damn. Didn't see that coming. I mean, I saw it. I mean, I thought it looks like it wanted to go up, but fuck, bro. Does that mean is that gold? See, gold didn't do the same thing. That's how my knee is. That's the same with my knee. My right knee is being held together by stem cells and PRP for fucking shit 12 and a half years now. Right? Yeah, I got that shit in September 2014. Yeah, that's amazing. I got like some fucking neck shit going on. Like I get like reoccurring fucking neck tweaks lately, especially lately. But I know I have like some herniation going on, like down my fucking trap somewhere. Because I'll get tweaked. It'll get tweaked, and then fucking, well, I won't be able to turn my head for like this. Right, just doing this right now hurts like right in here. Like it's a muscle thing. This one I think is, but where did I get the stem cells? I did it here, and they were mine. I used something called Regenix. You could do that though. Like you could go. Like the problem with doing it here is you have to do it the same day. But if you do it in like if you go to the Caymans and do Regenix in the Caymans, they could curate that shit for 2 weeks. But I wasn't, in a position to go to the Caymans at the time. Yo, where? Investors, where? Uncle Mo? I haven't seen Uncle Mo in forever. Oh, here we go. Now, look, fuck me, man. This is what happens when the shit's moving too fucking slow. Look at this shit. 63, 25 points. We're at the VWAP. That is the VWAP. Which is also, we're right at the 786. Doesn't mean we're going to stop there, but let's see if we get a retest here. 56 to fucking 90, 88 or some shit. Damn. You see, guys, I wanted it to come lower down here. Trading for keeps, what up? Waiting on Tradeify 3.0. It's just, I know that there's prices are. What up, Storm? What up, Storm? The prices are higher. Oh, the Anatoly guy is fucking great, bro. The shorts are fucking hilarious. He's like, hold my mop. And he's holding the mop like it's nothing. And then he passes it to the next that has hold my mop. And then he goes and does like deadlifts or fucking, power cleans and shit like that. One hand fucking cleans or whatever. And they're fucking like, ugh. Johnny, I'm sorry, bro. I'm not just gonna get into a trade just to get into a trade. I'm sorry. I had orders down here. It didn't come down here. Now I have an order up here, and I'm probably gonna regret this fucking trade. Oh, that's James. You Johnny Dan as your username, and then James Trade. My bad, bro. Been calling you Johnny Dan. YouTube really fucked up when they fucking went with the user ID instead of the display name. They should just show everybody's display name. Hey, man. I mean, if you're bored by me not being in a position, I mean, I'm sure there's someone else you could watch trade. We're just hanging out. If I get into a trade, I get into a trade, but I'm not fucking forcing anything. Yeah, it's nuts. He's good. He's fucking strong. Obviously. I don't even know if I like this fucking spot here because we could go fucking higher. Oh, you fucker. Coach HID, I think you would like this. See, look, I didn't get filled. See, what do you want me to do? My order was in the right spot. It came back and retested it, but I fucking moved it up a little bit because I didn't trust it. And it's dropping without me for now. I think you'll like this one because you could incorporate the pull-up bar. But this is the original one. Here's the original one. Yeah, if your neck's getting messed up for no reason, you probably have some sort of fucking like herniation going on, or like you got muscle like imbalances or some shit. Like my neck gets fucking tweaked. Like my neck, I swung and missed during I had a game on fucking, see, look, this is gonna go higher. Fuck that. I had a game on Sunday, and I swung and missed at a pitch or whatever. I missed it, and my whole fucking neck tweaked. And from the rest of the game, I couldn't even look all the way at the fucking pitcher. It was awful. Yeah, training for keeps. I mean, we're in a this is cucking around right now. I missed this whole move. I wanted to get filled down here. I thought we were gonna get more of a drop on this head and shoulders confirmation, but it bounced pretty aggressively, obviously. Yeah. See, that's the Roman chair. Yeah. To do like fucking the posterior. Yeah, it's a lot of posterior chain work. You could do like hypers and shit on that shit. Yeah, this is fucking. See, look, I miss getting filled, and look what's happening. This is like, it's been the story of my fucking month, but whatever. I have my order like right over here. Gold just keeps creeping up. Yeah, Willie. Yep. Not only it's not just that. It's like the cortisone shots are fucking awful for you too. Even though they help you, they like make you feel good for a while. The cortisone shot basically erodes your fucking your tendons. Where I can buy a Ferrari because my trade's about to hit stop loss. Cranston needs to drop a deuce. I didn't even eat dinner yet. Lazy. Friday, yeah, like the New York session closes at like what 11:15 a.m. New York time, Eastern time. Yeah, my crotch, bro. Facts. I wish I knew about the stem cells the first time I tore my ACL. I would have just done that. This is fucking annoying. Of course I didn't get filled. Of course. No new news. I mean, there was news and we popped. We did pop on news earlier. I mean, we popped like, you know, 23,880. We went up almost 200 points. Hot shot, what up? Watching the Yankees? You just reminded me to check the Mets. The Mets lost 3-0. That's right. Couldn't get any runs for Kodai. Oh, oh, hung. That you hang it, we bang it. I probably shouldn't even be showing that on my fucking screen. I don't even know if I should be doing that. Cranston, tell me more. Yeah, it's not. I mean, we just popped in the last, half hour. We fucking went up 150 ticks on gold and 30 points on the NQ, but it's moving very slow. Joshua, what up, man? What tweets, bro? What tweets? What I miss? A fucking school bus hit your wife? Please tell me you sued the fuck out of them. Valio, what up? Oh, Josh, I don't. I still don't know what tweets you're talking about. Yeah, that's rough, man. That's fucking crazy. Getting hit by a fucking bus. Yeah, I hear you. I mean, and that will make her back feel better. You know what I mean? That's the unfortunate part. But man, that's fucking crazy. Oh, Joshua, I know what you're talking about. You're talking about like fucking Trump's tweets and shit. The update, whatever fucking war related shit he posts. Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's what happens. One Beyond Limits. What up? I didn't know exactly what you were talking about at first, but now I get it. Everything's moving real slow, but we did fucking move. You know, like this was a 200 plus tick drop. It was 200 ticks from here down to this low here, and then we bounced out of it. Yeah, we'll see. I think I'm gonna trade. I think I'm gonna have a better month overall in April than I did in fucking March. That's for sure. I mean, how much worse can it get? This shit is fucking. I wonder what the 30-minute candle's gonna do. Oh my god, you fucking kidding me? I just missed getting filled by like a fucking point, and look what it's doing. It went down fucking almost 20 points. Shit always fucking happens. It's so fucking annoying. So fucking annoying. T. Charles, Money Mitch, what's up? What up? What up? What up? We're kind of just cucking around too. Well, we also took Venezuela too, John. Venezuela. Well, I mean, we need to see the list. We should take Canada. Damn, hotshot. That's a nice fucking hold. Yeah, this shit is like not even fucking moving. I'm gonna hang out. I'm gonna hang out. I'm gonna see what the 8:30 candle does or the 11:30 candle does, and then I'm probably gonna go eat because I missed getting filled here. I got nothing. I wanted to get filled down here. That didn't happen. I'm not fucking forcing shit. I don't really. I'm not. I don't need to force anything. I already did some good shit. I got my fucking trade days passed. I did it off stream. I got my trade days passed, so we're good there. I want to grow these Apex PAs and pass this eval. I'm gonna get more evals, but this is what I have right now. with this price action it's just too fucking slow for me. I don't like this shit. I don't like it. The fuck was that? Like, look, I mean, this shit ain't fucking moving. It ain't fucking moving, yo. Oh, that's interesting. See, that was 70. That was 75 ticks. That would have been enough. Yeah, I fucking what a miss. Gold just kind of dropped out of nowhere. Does that mean the NQ is going to drop like that next? Or oh yeah, well it kind of did right here. That was it. Same type of shit. It's just moving in slow motion. It's just too fucking slow. Did we go lower? There it goes. Can't see shit when I take these off. Damn. But yeah, we dropped from 204. Yeah, we dropped basically 100 ticks. Sucks, bro. Yeah, hotshot oil. Yeah, gas is a fuck ton by me. What up, P? He's already the governor. I don't vote. Mike, I don't vote. Voting's for fucking suckers. Yeah, that dude's already the governor. I guess he's running for another term. E15? I don't know. I think some gas stations have it. No, they have E8. What is that? E50 or E83 or I don't even know. Honestly, I don't even fucking know. Lumtardo. Yeah, I don't give a fuck about any of those motherfuckers. I see the signs all, they got the signs up everywhere for all like the smaller time positions. Yo, you're out here, Mike? Yeah, we're paying. Like I pay $1. It's like $1 more per gallon than like the East Coast. Coach HID, yeah, without a doubt. It's just different types of fucking happening during each, depending on who's in charge. Oh, you're in fucking like Reno and shit, no doubt. or something like that. Why do I don't know why. I feel like you've told me this before, but I don't know. Maybe you didn't. A lot of people tell me a lot of things, you know what I mean? Yo, what up, Elon? Yo, Elon Musk is in the building. Yeah. That's why, and I knew I felt like I knew that already. See, that dropped and then it came right back up. It's interesting. You know where it bounced? You know where it fucking bounced? God, man. I'm telling you, if I would have fucking had my order there to go long, it wouldn't have fucking bounced there. But look, right on it. We fucking went up fucking 20 points. Come on, Jay. What do you want me to do? I had orders I didn't get filled. You know what I'm saying, lazy? I had orders I didn't get filled, but damn, that would have been fucking sweet. Believe me, I don't like streaming and not taking a single trade when I'm streaming, but I don't know. I missed opportunities and I had orders that I didn't get filled. So I'm not fucking I don't chase, I don't do any of that shit. Yeah, stem cells are legit. Like there's no guarantee with the stem cells, but is my fucking charger like unplugging? Oh yeah. There's no guarantee with stem cells, but it can only help. Are stem cells better than peptides? I think so because it comes from your body. They extract your stem cells and then curate them, and then they reinsert them in the area that has issues. How dare you call it gambling? What up? Peptides have, side effects that not everyone experiences. YGQ 77 for 13 gallons. Jesus. That's like $5.40 or some shit. But this is fucking garbage price action. Like what am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do about this? See, this is where my order was before. I would have gotten filled, but like I don't know. It's fucking it's another touch on the VWAP. I don't trust this shit. I just don't trust it. Yeah, I mean BPC 157 definitely can do that. I've taken BPC 157. I've taken that and thymosin beta. I've taken them both. I actually got some shit in my fucking fridge right now. The problem with the BPC is you got to inject that shit. You got to shoot yourself up every fucking day. And then the other thing is like it could fucking grow. It can make shit that's already growing inside of you bigger. Yeah, BPC does help with the gut. We got a lot more news this week. Lazy. I'm a grower, not a shower. My wife seems to like it. It's perfect for her, you know, for her body. It was my dingling was made for her area. Yeah, this shit is fucking whack. It's big on, you know what? It's big on like inflammation reduction. And I was taking it. It was I had a really hard time injecting it into my finger, so it didn't really help me with my finger. This is like hard as a fucking rock. This scar tissue. It's like the bone. This finger is so fucked, and that's what I started taking it for. And then like when my knees would bother me, I would start shooting my knees up. I just don't want to fucking shoot myself up every fucking day. That's just me. Thymosin beta TB4 or TB500. That you only have to do every few days. And that they don't do it at the site. You just shoot your, but that's for other reasons. That's not for gut health. I don't think. It might actually help with the gut though. Yeah, I mean it would help. That would help with the gut too. You actually would just inject yourself by your belly button. It strengthens the gut lining by stimulating cell growth. You know, it reduces inflammation. Blah blah blah. You know what I mean? But if you watch, like there's a video of what's his name, David Huberman or whatever. He talks about this shit, and he was talking about how one of the side effects is because it grows cells, it promotes cell growth. It could also grow fucking cancer cells. So like you got to be careful with this shit. But I know it's really fucking good. At least it could be good. Another thing you could do is just like cut out dairy, cut out gluten and dairy, and that'll help your fucking gut. And take a really good probiotic. But I'm not a doctor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. You like my car I rented from Toro? YGQ. Oh, it's still, dude, Mike, it's fucking awful. It's still bad. Look, I'll show you. Let me go full screen on this. Look how fucked up this thing is. See it? It's still fucked up. That's it. That's just how it's been. It's been over a year. It's been what, 15 months now? That's a normal finger, right? And then this is the other one. Shit is fucked. That's it. Yeah, this fucking price action. Look at that bounce though. Look at that. That's a fucking nice, happy little bounce right there. 68 to fucking 87. And like we fucking like look at here's the other thing. Watch. Look at this. from this low and this high, we had a 707 bounce. And then from this low to this high, we had a 786 bounce. So it's just working its way up. My portfolio is a grower, not a shower. Funded dog, yo, you fucking you were in the Discord when I said that shit, right? Funded dog shit prop firm. Yeah, my wife loves it. Keto. I mean, oh, look, see, here we go. I fucking knew it. So off of that, we went fucking 68 to 91, 23 points. She loves it. And she's contractually obligated. She signed the love contract. I'm fucking annoyed because I missed this shit. I missed it. It's just moving way too fucking slow for me. But this was a nice fucking play right here. Real fucking nice. Right there. Fucking beautiful. Beautiful. Crank. And at Microsoft in 350s. Yeah, it's fucked. Mike from Mike Crotch. His finger is fucked. And like, look, I can't even fucking bend it. When I'm at the gym and I'm fucking using it, when I'm using it, it works. It bends and shit. But after that, if it's just sitting here, like I can't. I gotta fucking make it. I gotta work it and make it work again. Shit is fucked. This is interesting. Well, I almost fucking marketed in. I didn't want to do that. I was trying to change my order. $707 bounce. How many ticks did that go up? 91. 60 fucking ticks. Yo, Chris, what up? Oh, guess I missed another opportunity. Love to see it. You love to see it. That was a nice bounce. 68 to 93, 25 points. At this time, nothing's really happening, although we're about to hit the 12 o'clock hour. Him SMA, yeah. Yeah, I'll check your DMs. You got to buy the account with my code, send me a screenshot, and then tell me how to pay you back via Zelle, Cash App, or PayPal. My March total payout was 13. Oh my God. You gotta be fucking kidding me. It couldn't come up 4 more fucking points. 13,197. I'm over 99,000 for the month. For the year. Sorry, 99,000 for the year. That was fucking. Just ain't right. Yeah, it's not bad, but like this month was fucking dog. This month, my expenses got out of fucking control, so it was a wash. But January and February, I mean, I spent more. I spent more this month than I did January and February combined. But yeah, I'm up a lot. I'm up a lot on the year. I'm much more profitable than I was last year. Yeah, stay motivated. I'm with you. This fucking yeah, the price action was awful, but a lot of it was my own fault. See, oh CZ, what up, man? Damn, bro, you're fucking. Is that you? Yeah, you're. Oh, you're just posting other people's videos. I was like, damn, you're fucking shredded, and it's some like fucking 60-year-old dude, probably on TRT, but that's besides the point. Looks great. Um, there was just so many fucking. I fucked myself out of fucking yesterday. I fucked myself. I mean, I still have the account, but I was $59 away, or maybe like another 2-second hold from fucking 2,500 with this account. Now I fucking and then instead I hit the daily loss limit, and then there was $10,600 of worth of other payouts that I fucked myself out of, throughout the month, and it just spiraled out of control after that. So now I'm fucking trying to rebuild without fucking. I don't want to repeat that. I'm okay with blowing accounts. Like, you guys are gonna blow accounts. It's just you want to get payouts and then get multiple payouts from the same accounts to keep your expenses down. That's the fucking secret. But if you just want to get payouts in general, but yeah, it was a rough month. A lot of people struggled. A lot of people struggled. A lot of people that are better traders than me struggled almost as much. So Emma did. There was a lot of people that like the price action changed, right? Because of this war shit. So while I struggled with it, other people fucking had their best month ever, or monster fucking months. So it's like it's funny how that works. Uh-oh. Damn. Damn. And like when I was fucking on my fucking tear, where I did 120K in 3 months, and then before that I did, if you include October and November, I did 146K in 5 months. Other people were struggling during that price action for whatever reason. So it's like, you know what I mean? It's just, I just got to be better at recognizing or not recognizing, but adapting to it. Yeah, hot shot, bro. I mean, there were a couple of days where I spent that in a fucking day, bro. But yeah, I'm with you, man. It's all relative. It's all relative. But you made 41K in your personal account, so like, it all fucking balances out. Yeah, hot shot. Yeah, yeah. You learned through all that, right? You made a fuck ton of money and you lost a fuck ton of money. Joshua, back for vengeance. What are we doing here? Oh, look, beautiful. But like this drop right here, like I didn't like where this was. But if you look, the fibs are fucking playing out tonight. Holy shit! Look at this. 707. If I move it down to the last high before that, you're talking a 786 right here. That right there was 152, 79 ticks. And then now we're at the 786 from this low and this high. Right? Are we? Yep, we are. And I fucking wish I had an order there, but I didn't because, first of all, I'm in my Apex account, so I can't even trade this shit in there. And we got new hour fuckery. But look at that. You got the lower the VWAP band. Is that the lower the VWAP band? That's the lower the VWAP band, which also is the 786. Go figure. We wicked a little bit below it, but look at the body of the candles. Body of the candle here. It's probably going to retest it. What I'm worried about is it's going to go lower because I just don't fucking trust anything. And that's been part of my problem, not trusting anything. Damn. That's not even the right spot. That's not even the right spot. What I got to do. All right, so this is a shorter time frame fib right here. Hanging tough. Fuck me, man. It's too late. It's too fucking late. I missed it again. But look at this fucking bounce. So far, $55 fucking ticks. Came down and like almost retested the 707 before it bounced higher. Just ain't right. I would like to. What up, Dark Cloud? Hey yo. I would like to pass these during this session so I could get my first trade day in during this session as well, because that's the best part about Lucid. Oh, also, I don't know what time zone they're upping their prices, but Lucid literally is about to increase their prices on almost every plan they have, including Flex. Not all sizes, but the ones that everybody likes is the ones that they're increasing their pricing on. And they also gave everybody 5 new 40% off uses when you put in the best fucking code 0DayJ. Damn, see that? Look at that. This is what I was worried about. What's happening right there. So now it's retesting the 707 on the larger time frame. Does it go lower? Come down here. Will it though? You want 5? Yeah, no doubt. Apex is 90% off. They already raised their prices, but I know that at least Lucid gave us the heads up like, hey, April 1st, the prices are going up. But dude, this fucking drop right here. This drop right here. 124. That was 69 ticks. Joshua. They have to, because there's a sweet spot that they want to be in with their profit margin. All of these firms do it. Like Tradeday changed their discount from 40 to 30%, probably for a similar reason. They're about to come out with some new shit, or they're updating their existing plans, but they're about to come out with some new shit too. The 25Ks stay the same. I don't like those at all. That's the only one that stays the same. And the 100K. Yeah, the ones that nobody buys. But the 50s and the 150s are going up, which is what everybody buys. Almost everybody. All plans, right? Not just Flex Pro also. Did what actually go through? No, it went, bro. It went through. It went through. I saw what you said, bro. Oh, just Flex. What's NQ doing? Yeah, NQ. I just don't look at this. You got to know the head and shoulders here, though. But it's just gross looking. This is a fucking pain in the ass to trade. Look at this, gross. I mean, this was a nice clean move up for the most part, right? And you came back a little pullback and it went a little higher. But fucking this shit is just garbage. Joshua, bro. It's all relative, just like the folks in Mississippi, just like the Rothschilds, if you know what I mean. All right, new hour. It's midnight on the East Coast. Look where we're at though on this larger time frame. We wicked over this. We wicked over it, but we're rejecting on the 786, which scares me because this is a much larger time frame. We're talking fucking hours. We're talking we're talking a high from last Wednesday and the low from Monday at like 2 o'clock in the fucking morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know. I gotta run anyway. I gotta fucking eat. I'm not feeling this price action anyway. NQ just fucking bounced. Look at this shit. This looks like ass. I gotta eat something. Let's see if I can show my wife a magic trick. Like I like this right here. I like this right here. But like, how many times have you seen the fucking have you seen gold flush fucking 300 ticks for no reason or out of nowhere? So I'm worried about that too. HTF. I don't know if she wants to though. Well, whatever. We'll see. Let's see what happens. This is the 786 from the high a day, the low a day, and the high a day. But this rejection right here is we wicked over the 786 on this much larger time frame with this high right here from last Wednesday and this the low from fucking Monday morning, way early Monday morning, basically Sunday night still. Here we wicked over it by how many ticks? 30 ticks, and then we're dropping. We've been dropping. We're down almost fucking 500 ticks. So, and I'm fucking a little worried. I could have just shorted anywhere over here and got my 75 ticks that I want with two minis. Joe, I just looked it up on the Urban Dictionary. Nah, she's not into that, bro. Not that I know of. Maybe I should introduce her to it. Uh-oh, here we go. Uh-oh. Am I going to regret it? Is this going to fucking flush? Just don't fucking trust it. Fuck, man. I really fucking got to go. I'm going to regret. I don't know. I just feel like I'm going to fucking regret this. And then I'm going to fucking get off the stream angry. We'll see what happens. Or I'm going to get bottom ticked. I'll get bottom ticked and then it'll fucking pop. Damn, I was up 300 bucks for literally like a split fucking second. Marco, what's up? Gracie, these are Lucid Flex accounts. 50K Lucid Flexes. I'm trying to push them to 3,000 today during this trading session. Maybe even in this trade, possibly. But we'll see. I have a feeling I'm going to fucking, let myself get shaken out and then my take profit will get hit. But at this point, I don't even fucking care. Let's see if it could get through this. Cuck. It needs to get through this cuck. Then it needs to get through this cuck and this cuck. Actually, if it gets to this cuck, I'm good. Oh, shit, son. See, this is when when it starts doing that, like, I feel like I need to start trailing it. And then look, as soon as I start trailing it, it comes back. It's so fucking annoying. It like knows. It did just hit that fucking up low at the VWAP band. Can we keep pushing up though? It fucking knows. It fucking knows. Watch this. I'm going to get nothing. I'm going to end up with nothing. I'm letting go. I'm trying to give myself some room, but I don't want to lose money. But I was just up how many fucking ticks right there? 45 ticks. That was 900 bucks. Can it just fucking keep pushing up? No, it's going to come back down and retest this shit. And then I'm going to be fucking annoyed. Come on, just one more nice leg up. How hard can it be? I'm telling you, 40 fucking ticks is nothing. 40 ticks is nothing. Look at this candle right here. But no, it's not going to do it. I'm going to get fucking taken out. I already fucking know. I already know it. If I move this up and get taken out up here, it's going to go up higher. If I leave it down here, it's going to come take me out here. That's how I feel every time I get into a trade now. It's so fucking annoying because that's what usually happens. What's up, George? Like, why can't it give me the fucking dildo candle up now? It's not even a dildo candle, really. Just move up 40 more ticks. How hard can it be? Look, It's so fucking annoying. It knows it's gonna fucking take me out. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. I tell you guys this shit all the time. It doesn't matter where I put it. It just doesn't matter. It's the same fucking shit every time. I had $900 up here. It's so fucking annoying. Let's see if it fucking goes back up now. Or is it going to flush? I mean, we could fucking dump now. Can't wait to fucking go. I'm going to end up going. It filled me in all of them. And then it drops. This is what I'm talking about. This is the shit that's been happening to me all fucking month. Oh, great. And this dog needs to go out. Awesome. Perfect timing. Perfect fucking timing. It's the same shit every time, guys. This is what I had 900 up here. It couldn't just go up a little bit more for me? No. Why would it do that? Yeah. Might as well just get stopped out for a $500 loss. Look, I'm telling you guys, it's the same fucking shit every fucking time. I'm going to get stopped out. We all know I'm going to get stopped out. Oh, I just missed it. Look, it just missed taking me out. Don't worry, give it a chance. Give it a chance to take me out. It's the same fucking shit. And you know what's crazy? If I would have just went full port on this bounce right here, I would have had my $1,500 day. What's up, jabroni? It's the same shit. It literally filled me. It filled me here and then fucking dropped. I'm surprised I didn't get stopped out. That's a fucking first. Does it come back down and stop me out, or is it going to push up now? It's the same fucking shit every fucking time. It's so fucking annoying. But if I would have full ported, I'm trying to be fucking responsible. If I would have full ported, I would have had the $1,500. I would have the accounts would be passed. But now, I'm down $200 across all five, and I'll probably be down 500 when it's all said and done after I get stopped out here, which I'm probably going to get stopped out because we all fucking know that's what's going to happen to me. And I should have fucking gotten off. Am I getting bottom ticked? Look. Amazing. 558. So I was up $900 and then now I'm down 558 and I'm bottom ticked and I'm getting bottom ticked. This shit happens to me all the time. It's the most annoyingest fucking shit ever. I should have gotten off before. This is what I get for not getting off. Should have full ported here because what did I get in at? 21? Yeah, it went up 45. If I would have full ported, I would have only needed 37 ticks. I would have had it. So this is the shit this is the shit I fucking deal with like all the fucking time. Now it's going to pump. Now it's going to fucking pump. Watch this fucking pump. Don't worry. My take profit's going to get hit now. I literally got fucking bottom ticked. Here's my entry. It's the craziest fucking shit ever. I fucking lost count of how many times this has happened to me. Just this month alone. Forget about all the other times. This month alone, it's been like insane. NQ fucking sucks. Don't worry, it's gonna fucking go all the way up. Where was my take profit? My take profit was 7097. So there you have it. Could have locked in. I didn't trail. And you know what? I'm telling you, if I would have trailed this up here, as soon as I got taken out, it would have went higher and hit my take profit. I'm telling you, because you guys have seen it happen to me so many fucking times. But no, I don't trail it. I leave it down here to give myself some room, and it fucking comes and takes me out anyway. And then I get stopped out here, and now it's gonna fucking pump. It's getting ready to fucking go. It's so fucking predictable. Anyway, I'm gonna bounce. I gotta bounce. I gotta eat. I might have to feed this guy, and I don't feel like trading when I gotta deal with all that shit. So thanks for hanging out. Smash the like button. Enjoy the rest of your night. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. I will be trading these accounts. If you're not in the Discord, hold on a sec. If you're not in the Discord, here's the link. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. It's the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Whoops. There it is. P Shenanigan, you're so fucking annoying. Oh my God. Fuck my life, man. I fucking knew that was gonna happen. I knew it. I knew I was gonna get fucked. Where's this shit going? Anyway, all right, guys. I'll talk to you guys. I'll be in the Discord. If I'm trading later, I'll be hanging out in the Discord. If I'm awake and I'm not trading, I'll probably still be hanging out in the Discord. If I don't see you there, I'll see you hopefully on the next stream. I'll be on for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank God this fucking shitty month is over, man. Thank fucking God. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.